Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, learn the use of Butesia. Class, or say that. Butesia. Butesia in English, it means carry in totally as a verb in sentences. We are going to learn a topic that says Butesia. Butesia. When you hear Butesia, it means carry in totally. Don't leave any of them. Igbo English. Number one sentence says, Ugomma Butesia mmiri ahụ niile. Class, say it. Ugomma Butesia mmiri ahụ niile. Ugomma Butesia mmiri ahụ niile. Ugomma Butesia mmiri ahụ niile. Meaning, Ugomma carry in all those water totally. Have you seen it? Ugomma carry in all those water totally. Ugomma carry in all those water totally. Carry all of them. Number 2 says, Butesia ha eba. Again, class. Butesia ha eba. Meaning, carry them in totally. Butesia ha eba. Carry all of them. Don't leave any of them. Carry them in totally. So, when you hear Butesia, it means carry all of them. Carry all of them totally. Don't leave any of them. So, Butesia in Igbo, it means in English, carry in totally as our verb. That is why we underline them. You can see Ugomma is the name of a girl in Igbo. You learn how to speak Igbo language when you listen to others. When they speak, you listen to them carefully. From there, you learn. You also learn when we are teaching you. You have to listen and follow our guidelines. Our guidelines of teaching. So, like and share our videos. Follow me on my YouTube, my people, at Rejoice Chinwendu Special TV. Instagram, Rejoice Chinwendu page. Bye. Bye for now.
With our faith we stand so strong.